Yeah, no problem. Yeah, big thing, same as seven. Last week was way too easy. I traded like crap and I made money and every day was easy. So I'm just really hands off. I was closing a lot of positions on Friday. Anything that didn't move in my favor, like didn't really move aggressively, I just kind of cut it. And just really, really careful right now. But looking at things like skin, um, just top right earnings are tomorrow, but broke the all-time highs, trying to find support at that level. Affirm just got over the all-time high level from back in February and it's starting to make a little flag there. So if that sets up soon, that would be nice. For the most part, just watching this week.
Cool. All right. Let's see. Anybody else want to go?
This ECL is a pretty big weekly and monthly level. 231, 231 half. You want to go on the monthly or weekly, whichever you'll kind of see it.
Looks great. I don't think you could look. I think you'd find like a nicer monthly chart than this ECL.
Yeah,
that's great.
I think the earnings were 2 or 3 weeks ago, but it's pretty much setting up for all-time high breakout.
Where's your stop on that?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I guess I should mention it's also been like 6 days straight up, so I'm hoping for some consolidation up here. But that's just something on my radar that I saw.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing because the pivot's down at 219. So
yeah,
but it's nice level.
Other than that, it's just got my eye on that ODP from the shakedown as well.
ODP up through 56.
46 area, yeah, but again, same thing. It's just there's no real. I like the level, but the stop situation's also kind of what everyone else is saying. So it's on my radar. Hopefully, there's some consolidation, but other than that, just watching.
Nice. Let's see. So Motion mentioned PayPal. Yeah, so I think you might need to give this PayPal a little bit more time, just given how, when you see this down here, probably want to give it a little bit more time to develop. But I do see, it's coming to this major support, but you definitely want to see a couple of green days before we look to get back into this one.
It looks like that has earnings today too.
Yeah.
I don't know if it already did this morning or let me check. Yeah, it has it today after the close. So definitely an avoid today. And yeah, wait for that trend to start moving back up before trying to catch this falling knife.
Let's see. Anybody else have anything they want to go over? All right, guys, I think that's it.
Wait, I got some. Oh. I got a DEN 91 in time. DEN. I have a lot of charts. I like at 91, maybe an opening range break, or I could flag out here for a little bit. The current pivot's at 84.5, but it could look good in time. Another one I have is this CIVI through 59 all-time highs, but it needs to go more sideways for a bit because the current pivot is at 50. It's at 50. It's at the low 50s. Yeah.
51 now.
Another one I have is this ARCH. Institutions are buying this name up because the expectations have gone up times 2.5, and it looks good through 94 right now. The current stop is below the 50 MA at 88.5, but a bit more sideways could look good.
Yeah.
Check a monthly on that one.
And another one I have is its shop through 1550 with current stop below the 1500 mental figure at 1494.89.
I'm sorry, what was the last one you just said?
Shopify.
Set up through 1550?
Yep. Below and stop below the mental figure, 1500 at like 1494.89.
All right.
And another name I have is this ENTH. I'm keeping an eye on it through 245. Needs to flag out a bit though. Could catch a opening range break.
Well, it had earnings already. But yeah, I mean, this looks good. It definitely just needs some time though. It's gone quite a bit pretty quickly. But yeah, definitely through those highs in time could definitely be something. All right, Cushion, nice work. You're always very enthusiastic with your charting, which is always great to hear.
I love charting, yeah.
We definitely could tell. All right, guys, any last words?
Happy Monday. Let's go.
All right, guys. Post your top ideas in the group.
Peace.
All right, see you.